last year I was drifting the go-kart. It's already getting covered back up. The whole fool was jumping on the rev limiter.
I know, that's a truck.
Watch the guardrail. He's gone. Fifth gear. Fifth gear. There you go. There you go. Yeah, you gotta let it peg the limiter when you're drifting to make it proper. Ah, he did a 360. Ah, guardrail. Ooh, I heard a little bit of pre-detonation. I heard a little bit of pre-detonation.
Huh?
I think it's getting hot. I heard
it's hot.
I heard it ain't hot. I know he thinks it's cold. That thing smells hot. truck.
Look at this rain, they got smacked in the car.
It is. Fifth? I love that. Does this thing have a fan?
Oil fan, yeah.
Oh. So the oil's getting hot then. I thought I hear a fan going. "Wah." I do hear a fan.
Yeah, it says it's hot now.
Let it cool down. Let it cool down. It's overheating. The hot light's on. That's the hot light.
That's a guardrail.
That's a guardrail. I think it's overheating. Where are you going? Can you pick that up?
Huh?
Yeah. It's hot. Fuck.
That's how you do right there. Just stay.
So you crack your block. Oh shit. That's where I took the moss rig. Damn StabiliTrak kicking in. Or something. Oh, we're hooking. That was a problem I had too. Bringing back memories. Apparently the damn low tire light is on. I don't know why.
No, that's been on
I mean, it's been on for a while, but what, now it's damn... That's good. Listen to that damn exhaust. Sounds like a diesel. That's how you whip a Tahoe. That looked like a Suburban. Get that thing. It's a rental. It's a Kia. It's a fucking Kia. Kia. I'm gonna get out of the way. I don't know what he's doing.
He's going over there. Looks like my phone.
Yes, girls got my Kia.
Look, I even do this shit. I haven't got floor mats yet.
Do it, bro. I haven't even had 4 months yet. Look at me.
It won't do it. Watch. Better not.
Kia. Kia. That's how you do it right there. That's how you whip a Kia, bitch! Do it right there. Oh, he's going. I love how the back wheels go moving in the front. Hey, I can see where I can park now. What the fuck?
It works in the reverse.
Thought it would.
It didn't do it this morning, dude. I was out here trying before I came to work.
Oh, goddamn.
You ready?
It's got traction control. It is traction control. Right, I know this goes. Imagine drifting the Kia out in the parking lot. A Kia. Oh God, what is he gonna do? Oh, shit. Shit. What's up, bitch? Hey, girl, what you doing, girl?
I just did Starbucks.
Get Starbucks.
Just like whips. Hey, bitches.
This is some wild shit. Shit. Damn, buddy. Oh, fuck, he's coming. Oh, shit.
You just don't turn.
Oh, shit. The tires lock up. Here we go. Doo. Your car is pissed.
Oh yeah, I fucking hate this shit.
Oh yeah, that's better ish. That's better.
Oh, I was gonna put it in drive and then skirt off like a badass. It ain't gonna do it.
It's got safeties, don't it? I thought Hertz on honk.
You ain't know nothing about the Kia boys, bitch.
I'm weak as shit. Oh God.
That's it getting inside here.
That's how you pull in. I know what's gonna happen.
Right from the start, you should be wary, wary, wary. Everyone had a broken heart.
Let's go. It won't turn, bro. It's all the salt, dude.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I think that's an issue.
It's jammed in there too.
Bro, it's...
There you go.
Oh!
Brand new car, huh?
2022, only got 26,000 miles on it.
Oh my God.
Look how close he got. That's how close he got. Hey, you don't like it. You can feel the some bitch inside this.
Yeah. Hey, buy you some of these. All you got.
Those look right. I'm just taking off the strike. That look right up to the kid.
You might have to do a little bit of clearancing, but you know they'll go right on.
Just get a grinder.
Just a little. All you need is a sawzall and a grinder, so you can roll your.
My car is gonna be weak.
So you can do your fenders, you know, so that way it fits a little bit better.
This is, dude. Looking at your.
Oh no, I gotta clean the car. You can build a snowman on that.
Look, y'all two bitches. We're not drawing on my. We draw a new smiley face.
You just gotta look at it the right way. The fuck is that? Yeah, there you got it.
It's gonna fucking dry. There's just gonna be a penis on my fucking car.
That's how you do it right there.
I'm going home.
Alright, switch now.
the top I was like,
Watch the Kia. Watch the Kia.
I'm turning his back light on.
Behind your head. Look at Gavin. Can you turn them off?
What?
The light. It's harder to talk to you than a kid. Oh my God. What the hell's that car doing? They got Christmas lights on their shit.
I can't do it right there. Don't let me be. That's a Chevy. What the hell is that?
Oh shit.
Oh, there's around all around them?
Who is that?
You let me pull it up. So loud.
Oh, look at the Chevy.
We saw him at
That was close call. No, he doesn't. God, I miss mine. Mom out with me. Yeah, buddy. Walker in first. I'm gonna give him some advice. There you go. There you go.
Good, Travis. We'll be out here drifting like a mofo. All over the drifting.
Get it.
Why you won't lock in a second? You fucking hammer.
Wando. Yep, that's Buffalo Billy. Them Ironmans kick some snow, I tell you. Buddy, you go freeze your fingers off, buddy. You gotta be careful about that right there. You gotta be careful about that. Buddy, you're gonna get frostbit. You're gonna get frostbit.
Oh, yeah.
Knock that shit off, you're gonna get frostbit. What? Who said my name?
No.
What?
That was Jeremiah.
What?
Oh,
yeah, that's a little confusing,
I need
isn't
you
it?
to get a video. So that way it's like on my phone, so that way it's the best quality.
Okay. This is an iPhone 11.
I got a 13.
Oh.
I got a 14.
Okay, you beat me.
I got a 14. I'll
Yep,
put you.
you beat me. Oh no, this is not an AFM 5.3 or AFM motor. These are the good ones. These ones are as bulletproof as the fucking.
Yeah, that's why I like it. Oh, you're spinning, man.
Oh well, the higher package, the LS package, does not have AFM. Oh yeah. Send that motherfucker. Woo. Get it, buddy.
Slam it.
What the fuck?
It's a fire.
Hey. That's just
Dude,
Dude, I love it.